Hi, Tweetie here. Want to let you know that down in the description below we have links for you to go to for different things, and you can check out our other playlists. What's important right now is that you need to know there's more to prepping than how much food you can store or what you can plant out in the garden. Although those things are very important, you need to have a few extra skills under your belt. We'll talk about those in some of these other tips. But for each of these things, some of them you may need training and hands-on experience. You may need to have reference sheets to be able to refer to if you don't have all the training and be able to know what to do. You need to stash those away as well. Put them in laminated papers or waterproof bags and stash them away. You may need to put all of your special papers in one place or email them to yourself. You don't know what else you need to do until you start doing it. Give us a like. If you want more of this information, subscribe to us, and we'll catch you later. God bless and angels all around.